We have a very strong performer community, specifically in dance. A lot of our teachers are also active professionals, and so what's really great is to watch them have a teaching life and a teaching career, and a performing life and a performing career, and allowing those worlds to work together. There's a quest for knowledge and a quest for research and a quest for ongoing research opportunities and continuing education. So when we do the teacher training and we start in that way, it's never like, here you go, now go out into the world and teach. We have a community that constantly is coming back and educating one another. We're constantly having opportunities to share knowledge. What is the idea of taking knowledge and having knowledge and then sharing it with other people so that they can then share the knowledge with their students? One of the things that I think is most important is that when it comes out of my mouth or it comes out of my expertise, it comes out one way because that's how I know it, and that's how I've learned it, brought it in, digested it, and then I'm sharing it. And one of the things that's really exciting is that each teacher who comes along asks me questions so that they can figure out how they're going to digest it and then share it.
It's really interesting how many different aspects of our lives post-certification this will affect, and we can use to kind of move forward in different ways.
The first path that you take, it's not asana, right? And asana is only one of the 8. But in our Western culture, we get very excited about the physical explorations.
The practice of returning our focus to the breath, having that strength in my focus allowed me to have a more experiential performance. It was as if I was doing the movement as like the first time, and this was just not a rehearsed product, but an experience.
Honoring each of those teachers so that they can be individual and genuine when they take the information and give it to their students. So that's been really fun and surprising, and also it's been really inspiring to see how many different teachers we have. Shared philosophy, but different methods and different personalities.